Today I'm going to make a doll from a sock. We need these items. Keep the socks inside out. We need to cut the socks like that. And then we need to cut legs. You need to stitch it together. We need to stitch it together. Then we can fill the trousers with the cotton after flipping it over. Fill it as much as you can. It's like a tummy. There's a chicken on the roof. I ain't telling you no lies, man, I'm telling you the truth. There's a chicken on the roof. If I was Australian, the word I'd use is truth. There's a chicken on the roof. The only way she's coming down is chicken. Okay, then we can stitch the top together. I wanted to stitch, but it was so hard, so I told my mum if she could stitch. And so she did it. Needles are sharp, so we need to be careful. We can use another socks to make the head. Fill the cottons inside the socks till it's full.
No more evil doing for you, little Akuma.
Then we can stitch together. We need to tie very tight. Stitch the head and body together. Always make sure you stitch very tight. Next we can make the hat for the doll. Before the tree, the seed. Before the bread, the need. Before the end, the start. Before the break, the heart. Before the low, the high. Before the fell, the try. Before the heal, the soul. Before the drink, the fall. Before the sun, the cream. Before the wake, the dream. See, my doll's cute hat is ready now. We can make eyes with black thread and mouth. Flicker, 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 flicker. In the name of the garden. Flicker, 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 flicker. In the name of the garden. Making a dog, making a dog. We need to stitch like this for hands. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, chocolate by the rhino rustica. Pull the engine, pull the trunk. Off we go with the pop and smoke. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, by the rider will streak. Basket. 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 I'm telling you. Now we can make a scarf with other piece. See, my beautiful doll is ready now. You can try this with your favorite socks because I tried this with my favorite socks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.